Okay, are recording. Hi everybody, I'm Aaron Minahan with the SPSCC Student Life Office, and I'm here today with Zaid Abdel Rahim from the Campus Activities Board. Zaid's going to be showing us an awesome, quick, healthy meal that's perfect for college students. So take it away, Zaid. I hope you all enjoy.
Hi everyone, this is gonna be short. Uh, this is basically just some veggies and meat for people who don't have enough time to cook. So just something that you can do very fast. So we got here some crab veggies. Uh, it's a black pepper and green pepper, onions, and some potato. So you would cut everything in medium size, not very thick and not very thin, just in this sweet spot in between. Yeah, and then you can throw in anything you want. I have here some eggplants, some butter, of course, and seasoning, black pepper and salt, and some curry if you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine. It's up to you. And we got some sauce and some meat. This is lamb meat. I So the way I make it, everyone is fine to do it the way he wants, but I throw in some onions, some cut onion and butter, and then I throw in the meat, and it stays on the fire for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then it's fine like this. So anyway, we will start with putting the onions on the bottom. And then you will cut that with some green pepper and with the first layer of potatoes. So after you put the first layer, you get some salt. It doesn't really have to be much, just like the way you see it is good enough. You know? And then black pepper, the seasoning. I have some Italian seasoning, you can use whatever you want. And the meat. And then you will do everything again. You put some onions, eggplant. Of course, order doesn't matter. Green pepper, potatoes. And throw it for and then the carrot. You can put really generous with the carrot. And if you like spicy food, you can add some hot chilies or whatever you want. Good thing about this is you can do it with whatever you want, with whatever you have. So it's really that easy. Uh, Neat. So again, some pepper. And then when you get to this point, get some sauce on top of it.
And that's just like a pasta sauce, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can add some water on it, but when you put it in the oven for a while, it's all the veggies is gonna start to take the water out of it. So it's gonna be like a nice soup.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is about like 1 spoon of butter. You add about 2 to 3 cubes, 2 to 3 spoons, not much, but just enough to give it a taste. And voila, you put it in the oven on 400 for around 45 minutes. The best way to know if it's done or not is take it out and try the potatoes. If the potatoes is soft and squishy, but soft. If it's soft, it will be ready to go. If you prefer to use chicken or you have chicken, do everything as we did, but keep the chicken for the end, and then put the chicken on top of it. It would be best if you use some chicken thighs because it has some grease that will like melt and give the dish a good taste. And that's it. I hope you enjoy.
Woo!